At flybotix, we combine the flight time of conventional helicopters with the mechanical simplicity of drones into a unique system that flies with only 2 rotors, doubling the flight time compared to competition for use cases inside industrial assets. We have patented that technology, happily, and we have also filed 2 other patents since then. As any other startup, flybotix is basically spending a lot of effort in the fundraising on the one hand. On the other hand, we also thrive in attracting talent. We are developing a fresh new technology from the ground up, and we need highly talented people. Christian, our coach, could support us very efficiently from the beginning of the fundraising process, especially with let's say, the financial aspects where we really needed help. So he could provide the tools and let's say, the templates necessary to build the financial plan, and then basically also support us through some discussions and meetings with the investors themselves. The outcome was very successful, let's say. It was very positive. We could close our seed round of $1.5 million by March 2020. So we are very happy about that. We are now developing our product. We'll be announcing it soon, and then entering the market and basically building the distribution network.